Now, I do have one more thing for you this morning. Do I have one more thing? Everybody has been wondering, is AMD going to bring more than 8 cores to the 3rd gen Ryzen desktop processor family? And today, I'm very happy to say the answer is absolutely yes. AMD is pushing gaming beyond 8 cores, and today I am so proud to introduce the new AMD Ryzen 9 family. So, for the very first time, take a look at AMD Ryzen 9. Is this beautiful or what? When I showed this at CES, many on the internet wondered, because I had 1 core chiplet, whether we had room for the 2nd core chiplet. And the answer is we absolutely have room, and this enables us to bring Ryzen 9 to the market. So, I love silicon. But I also love products and showing products off. So let me talk about Ryzen 9. The Ryzen 9 3900X is the absolutely first mainstream desktop processor with 12 cores and 24 threads. And what you see that's so special here is this is the no compromise product. We have 4.6 gigahertz boost, 70 megabytes of total cache, and it's all in 105 watts. And when we say no compromise, we mean that it is a phenomenal multi-threaded CPU, but it's a phenomenal gaming CPU as well. So with that, let me invite Robert back to show off the performance of our 3900X. Robert?
All right. For my last and final trick, I'm going to take socket AM4, AMD socket AM4, against Intel's HEDT socket. This is a $1,200 processor on the left versus the AMD Ryzen 9 3900X on your right. And we're running Blender, which is trusted by many content creators to evaluate 3D rendering performance. And it's just a really great content creation tool. And what you see from every box is a processing thread. And as we come to the finish, the difference is clear. We finished in about 32 seconds versus the competitor's 38 seconds. And that's about an 18% performance improvement for AMD. And we're going core to core, 12 versus 12, which means Zen 2 is simply faster.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Woo! Can I say we love to win? Take a look at what we're doing with the Ryzen 9 3900X. We have double-digit improvement in single-thread performance, significant improvement in multi-threaded performance. And take a look at the power. Our competition is at 165 watts, and we are at 105 watts. Does that look great or what?